Hey y'all, it's Shy How 2 here, and this is how you lock your car's charger connector. First, you want to grab the charger, then you want to plug it in. And all you got to do is take the key fob, and you want to lock your doors. And now so you try to pull it out, it doesn't come out. So this will stop anybody from just coming up to your car and just unplugging your charger and plugging it into theirs. So when you come back, all you gotta do is take the key fob and press unlock, and now it unlocks. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.